Today I wanted to do a tool go bag overview. So what is a tool go bag? It's basically, as the name implies, a tool bag that holds all your tools so you can do your job. And it's generally portable, so you can carry it in and out of your service truck, your service van, etc. I have two go bags that I load on and off of my van every day. The one you see on the left stays on my van. I never take that one off into the houses that I service. The go bag on the right is the bag I take in and out of the van to each house that I service every day. The difference is the bag on the right is much more lightweight. It has less tools in it. It's the common tools that I use on a regular basis, whereas the go bag on the left is the heavier tools, the tools that I don't need to use in every single house every day. So the one I don't use every day, it has heavy tools like pipe wrenches, hammers, chisels, some specialty tools. My drill driver is in there. For my everyday go bag, has comfortable carry handles, multiple pockets. So I have 3 different size adjustable wrenches in this pocket. Those I use often. The next pocket, needle nose pliers, and some wire cutters. And recently I came across these wire strippers, and these work great. You can adjust these right there with the knob. You can crimp wire and cut wire with them. Fourth pocket, have a pair of channel locks, pair of pliers. Channel locks are used quite often. And of course, a pair of vice grips. In the next pocket, an outlet tester. This is an ideal outlet tester, and the lights will tell you if it's wired properly, if there's an open ground, neutral, hot, etc. I also carry this little 110, 220 volt circuit tester. You plug that into an outlet, you can tell if it's live or not. Safety glasses. In the main pocket, there's a nice carrying strap there for your shoulder. A nice putty knife, a good LED flashlight. It's got a non-slip coating. Clamp on amp meter. And the wire leads are in the pocket next to it. Your standard pen, carpenter's pencil, Sharpie, small flathead screwdriver for terminals on a thermostat, scissors, box cutter. On the other side, a large flathead screwdriver, a 6-in-1 screwdriver. So you got your small Phillips, small flathead, large flathead, large Phillips, and then you got your 2 different nut drivers. So this tool I use often, it comes in handy. I highly recommend these all-in-one screwdrivers. And of course, a standard number 2 Phillips head screwdriver. Next to that, we got some smaller fine tip flathead and Phillips head. And they're insulated. And then my pick set. So different picks for picking out O-rings and things. Some smaller flathead and Phillips head screwdrivers. And then next to that we have a Klein non-contact voltage tester. Works awesome. I highly recommend that one by Klein. heat gun, so if you can check the temperature like an HVAC system, this comes in handy. And I keep this little cleaned out applesauce cup for small nuts and bolts. The HDX has my earplugs. Of course, a good tape measure. Metric and standard Allen wrench set. Common sizes. And this is a small, lightweight, rechargeable, like cordless screwdriver. And the handle swivels, so it can be a 90-degree handle or a straight handle by wind. Works awesome. Holds your charge for a long time. Teflon tape, electrical tape, work gloves, a rag, another meter. This one's a Klein. But again, you can see I leave plenty of room in that center of the bag to put my company iPad. If I have any new parts I need to bring into a house, I have room in the bag to put the parts in there. My thought is I want to keep everything nice and organized and lightweight. I don't want to kill my back carrying around a big heavy bag everywhere all day long. And then this one also has a nice pocket on the very bottom. So that's where I keep my torpedo level. There's a thick red wire here that has some alligator clamps on either end for jumping wires in the circuit. And then a small plastic storage box with crimp-on wire connectors. Give you a better look. Different bits and adapters stacked a little bit. Torque splits. That's an adapter you put in a light socket, so you can plug something in. And then some crimp-on connectors, wire brush, toothbrush for cleaning. This bag also has some non-slip rubber feet on the bottom. The material is waterproof. It has heavy-duty zippers. I can't say enough positive things about that bag. Works great. The main reason I did this video is because I noticed there's a lot of videos on YouTube where they go over their tool bag, but they're mainly for specific to plumbing or specific to electricians or HVAC guys. Not a lot for service technicians like me, where I do basically a lot of handyman work, where some days you're doing plumbing, some days you're doing electrical, some days you're patching drywall, etc. One day I'll do a video on my service van. Obviously I have additional tools in my service van, but this video is just about, a general go bag for everyday use that I carry in and out of houses that I service. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment for future video topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.